In this video, I will quickly show you how to deploy an API on AWS. First, go to your AWS account and open the main dashboard. Then choose the service you want to use to host your API, such as EC2, AWS Lambda with API Gateway, or Elastic Beanstalk. One of the most common options is using EC2 because it gives you full control over the server. Next, create an EC2 instance and choose an operating system such as Ubuntu. Now configure the security group by opening the port used by your API, such as 3000, 4000, or any other port your project uses, as well as port 22 for SSH access. After that, connect to the server using SSH from your terminal. Once connected, install the required technologies such as Node.js, Python, or any language used by your API. Now upload your project files to the server or clone the repository from GitHub. Then install the project dependencies and configure the required environment variables. After that, start the API and test if it is working correctly using the public server address. To keep the API running continuously, you can use a process manager like PM2. If you want better security, you can also connect a domain and configure Nginx as a reverse proxy. And that's it. Now you know how to deploy an API on AWS easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.